Brr, bam, bam, bam. We did.
What's up, MNS Squad? This your girl Mariam here, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am cooking for y'all. I am making chicken ragu with potato, and here I am frying the chicken. I was supposed to fry the potato first, but you guys, I didn't want to waste no time, so here's my boiled potato. I boiled it just like 5-10 minutes, and I decided while I'm doing that to fry the chicken, and the chicken is almost done. It's already done. I'm done frying it. You guys, I was using this pot to fry the chicken, and I have my big pot on the side. I have oil in there so that I can finish it up in that pot. So here's the chicken. It's done. Just keep watching. This dish is very delicious, and it's easy to do it. It literally takes like a little bit of time. Excuse me, my voice. And here's my potato. It's cut up already. I cut everything up, and I'm adding some salt to it, and I will mix it up after I put salt. And here I am. I'm about to fry the potato. Once I'm done with the chicken, I'm now frying the potato. Remember, I told you guys I was supposed to fry the potato first, but I started with chicken, but it's all good. I'm now frying the potato. After I put the potato in here, in my big pot, I'm gonna add the chicken in there because I've already turned the stove on under that pot. So I'm gonna wait until the oil is heat up, and then I will add the chicken. I'm gonna leave some potato in there and let the first one boil. And here it is, it's frying. Did I just say boil? Don't mind me, y'all. Okay, it's frying, and here's my big pot. The oil is already getting hot, but first and foremost, I'm gonna add some onions in there. Voila, boom. That's the onions. Then I'm gonna add, this is what I do, y'all, because I believe if I add some onions and let the onions fry a little bit, it will help the oil, the smell of the oil, it will help take that away. So here it is, and then I'm gonna add my chicken. After I add the chicken, I'm gonna add some water. Don't mind my big ass pot, y'all. That's what I have, so that's what I'm going to use. I think this is just one chicken in there. So here I am adding water. After that, I'm gonna add my seasoning. I have complete season. I have my Maggi, which is jumbo, and I have the other one that I usually use all the time. I don't really remember the name, but y'all will see it in a minute. Just add enough water that would, make your chicken soft, nice, and tender. Don't be afraid of adding water. Okay, so this is my season. I'm adding that, my complete season, and I have some jumbo aside. Of course, when I was frying the chicken, I added just salt to the chicken to fry it. But now that I'm about to boil it, I'm adding all my season into it. Once I'm done doing all of that, I'm going to mix it up and cover up and let it boil. Alright, I believe this is like an hour later. Now I'm adding my onions. Make sure you cut up onions and add to it. I'm adding onions and now I'm mixing it up. I've tasted the taste. It's wonderful. It tastes good. And my chicken is soft, just like the way I want it. Always check on your chicken to see if they are nice and tender, like soft, the way you want it. So now that everything is intact, just like the way I want it, I'm mixing them together. And after I'm done doing that, I'm just going to cover up again. Let it steam because I want that onions to be soft, very, very good. And here it is, boom, my food. The smell of this food is all over the house. It smells good, it's cooking, and the taste, it's like off the chain, y'all, off the chain. I can't wait. I cannot wait for the food to finish, okay, so I can get mine and eat it. And here it is. I am adding my potato. The potato is done frying. I'm gonna add my potato, mix it up together, and turn down the heat. Like that, so that stove need to be down. The heat need to be down so that it can steam up together. The potato, the onions, and the chicken. And make sure you don't use too much oil, y'all, because I don't want my food to be too oily. And here it is, 15 minutes later. Everything is soaked in together. Yes, it's just that simple. It doesn't take much of your time. It doesn't take much of your effort. You can eat this by itself. If you don't want bread, you can eat it with bread. Listen, y'all, you can even cook some white rice, like jasmine rice, and put it to the side and eat it together. I do it like that sometimes. Or just eat it with pita bread or flat bread, any kind of bread you want. So here it is, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, subscribe, like, and comment down below if you have tried it, if you really like it. Bye. Love ya.